guys. So today is Saturday. I woke up by 8:20. So I want to make more money this morning. I watched the beans in the night. That clip I did not show because it was rather too stressful. I woke up this morning by 8:20 and I've progressed with it. So I've blended and I've mixed. So guys, my parcel from AliExpress that stayed over 2 months just came in. I went to collect it today. So it's an electric brush I ordered 2 months ago, and this is what it looks like. I just removed it from the parcel pack, so this is what it looks like. I've not really seen it, I just collected it, and it came with the main brush itself, the electric brush itself, and they gave me 2 extra brush mouths, two extra brush head in case the one in there goes back. The reveal. So this is what we have. I just hope that this, see, the brush, the braces of the brush is very soft, and see how small it is, like that of a child. Very soft. I wonder how I won't use this kind of thing brush. God, I beg. How are we going to brush with this thing? Okay, this is where to turn it on. I guess this should be where the battery goes in. Okay, it requires 1 single battery. Guys, I made a new hair. I didn't want to show you guys the tutorial, but this is what my hair looks like, and I love it. I love the final look. I use edge control for the pattern, and this is the edge control I use for the pattern. Good morning guys. So this is Monday morning, and it's not been long I woke up, but I've had my breakfast. This hair I made yesterday, I just woke up this morning, and some of them is just standing, but it still looks good. So I'm coming prosper. So I want to show you guys some of the skincare, the new skincare product I added to my skincare routine, and some of the stuffs I bought. Just a little haul of what I got. So guys, I got some things from Bole Festival. So I got this sunscreen from Bole Festival. I hope you guys can see. Let me bring it a little bit closer. And this sunscreen is by Oriflame. I hope you can see this. By Oriflame. So I got this for 6,000 or 4,000 naira. One of those. It's a sunscreen and it's SPF 50. So I also got, that's for Bole Festival. So last week I got a new skin toner. I've been using Queen Helen's for so long. You guys know I'm a fan of Queen Helen's, but I started having some reactions on my face. Up to now it's still clearing gradually, and my pores was becoming very wide and very visible. So I had to change my toner. I still have my Queen Helen's, but I wanted something that will reduce my pores. This is it. Some of you will know this toner. This is Blemish Care Rose Skin Toner. This is rose water. This is literally rose water, but it's by Blemish Care. So this is rose water. I use it to clean my face. I use them as my toner, as my cleanser. You can use it also to take off your makeup. So I just started using it. That's why you can see it's still much. After that, I got a perfume by Latafa. I don't know, I'm becoming a fan of Latafa perfume. And this is Velvet Oud. I like oud a lot. It smells matured and it lasts a lot. So this is Oud, Velvet Oud by Latafa. So I'm going to open it for you guys to show you guys what it looks like. So this is what this Velvet Oud looks like. Look at that beautiful bottle. Very nice. I like it. It looks nice sitting on your table like this. What do you guys think? It looks very nice. It has this nice design up here. So last but not the least, I got a hair mousse. Alongside that edge control I showed you guys that I used to make my hair yesterday, I got a Nova Gold System Professional Super Firm Hold Styling Mousse for increased volume and hold. See, I got this for 1,800 also. So guys, welcome back. So I started a project last month. Please stop, don't start please. I started, stop it. My love, advice cross-band. I started a project last month and I'm not yet done. I'm making a gown for myself. I'm done with the front panel. This is the back panel. As you can see, all this white stuff here. This is the back panel. This is it. I still have more rows to go, but I'm going to show you guys the front panel and I'll do a little yarn haul for you people. So guys, I want to show you guys some of my projects, like a crochet recap. So I made this beautiful fanny pack. So nice. This is one of the designs I wore to the Bole Festival. So this is it. Let me show you the exact one I wore to Bole Festival. This is the black one I wore. This fanny pack is very, very nice. See now, see how fine it looks. And it has a zipper and it's also lined, which is very nice. This thing kept my phone, my bag, my two phones, my ATM card, and most of my valuables. It kept it very safe for me during the Bole Festival. So this is the front panel. See has some stitch markers in it. So this is what we have. I did like a V-neck. As you can see how nice it looks. You guys, this is going to be a very nice design made by Onyevik, made by me. This is my design. I call it my own because it's my design. No one else has done this kind of stuff but me. So this is like a boo-boo gown, crochet boo-boo gown, very close. So look out for the final look of this gown. I went yarn shopping today and I got this yarn. I got this sea green. I'm going to be using it for a particular shirt that you guys are going to see maybe sometime later. This is all I got. You guys, yarn is now very expensive. Yarn is now 6,200 naira. So any crochet artist that is charging you money, please pay the person. So far, unless I forget, I've not shown you guys, although I forgot to unbox the Android phone I got an Android phone because I started doing something online that fetches me $10 every other week, and it has been lucrative for me. At least currently I've cashed out like 4 times, going to 5th time, which is like $50. So because of that stuff, I got a new phone. So this is a new phone that's been added to the family, and this is Redmi A2 Plus. Though the camera quality is not that good, but it's very okay, since I'm not using it for the camera. But the camera is actually nice for somebody that wants it as an Android phone, that wants to use it to create content. Just that if you are going to buy it, make sure you buy the one with the 64 gig. This is the 32 gig. So look at it, very nice, very cute. So let me show you guys the interface. So this is it. So this is our new phone. I don't use it to edit because anytime I try to use it to edit, it just crashes on me. But it's really working for me. I love it so much. It's very handy. I use it to answer calls. I use it to download, go to Pinterest, listen to music, listen to radios. Use it for my business, my new business. I'm going to tell you guys in a very short while. I think I'm talking too much. I'll see you guys when